If you think Everest is just for selfies and summit dreams, think again. When a blizzard hit, adventure turned into a desperate fight for survival. Here's what happened. On the Tibetan side of Mount Everest, nearly 1,000 trekkers were trapped by heavy snow and rain, at altitudes over 4,000 meters. With hypothermia a real danger, local villagers and rescue teams braved the storm, clearing paths and guiding people to safety. So far, 350 have been rescued, but over 200 more are still being moved out in stages. The sudden storm caught many by surprise during a busy holiday trekking season. Stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, for more on this dramatic rescue. Thanks for watching.